Everyone, in this video we'll talk about global theme option settings. Whenever we start building a website, this is first area where we start working. So let's see what we have in here. So first of all, we will start a stack. We will do that, and there are other things, but we don't need that. This is for X theme, but this video is regarding Pro theme. So after that, we have layout design, how the layout of your overall website be working, and you can control the layout from here. You can add a background and background image here as well. Then you can create the typography, overall typography process. So this global setting is regarding few areas where we can make it customized, make it maybe just like blogs, archives page, otherwise different elements that has a default design. So those design can be controlled from here. And this is the root font size. We can control them from here as well. Then body content, the design and font family, the width, everything. Then the headlines, how the headlines will work regarding overall website. And this is the process, and this is site links, how the default URL link will be linked. So this should be updated according to the brand design of this website we will develop. Then the breakpoints. If you can see, these are the breakpoints. These are maintained from here as well. You can control it from this website, and it can work easily. So you can maintain these breakpoints from here, and if the breakpoint are different regarding the project, you can control those things here. Then there are a few things, these are not important. Then the font awesome, you can control the how much a default font will show on the icon panel or not. This can be controlled here as well. Then the portfolio, they have a portfolio post types already created for you. You can enable and it from here as well. Then the social media link, these are not important. This is for X theme, by the way. Then the open graph, then twig, we will see this and check this out in future video. So this is the overall global settings for the theme options. There, I think there's only few like layout. And then if you are okay with it, you are using it, then this one, and then the color. This is very important. And these are the things that. So this is what the work of the global settings for the theme options settings, and hope this is helpful for you. And in future we will see more videos on different sections. Thank you.